Have you ever wondered why we never see monkeys die? It sounds unbelievable, right? According to Hinduism, monkeys were granted a divine boon by Lord Rama. No one would witness their death. Here's the twist. They receive a special sense 7 days before they pass. Suddenly, they retreat to solitude, abandoning all activities, eating, sleeping, everything. But it gets even more shocking. If a monkey dies unexpectedly, the others don't just leave they carry it to termites, allowing nature to take its course. So is this just a myth or a divine secret? What do you think happens in those final moments? This belief raises profound questions about life, death, and our connection to the animal kingdom. Let me know what you believe in the comments below.